On my way going to this goddamn get this oil change on my car. So we on our way there. Come on, baby. I got no. So we on our way there. Nice and beautiful outside, you know. Nice and beautiful out here. I'm new to this YouTube shit, so y'all folks gonna have to bear with me. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta keep your cars up and shit, you know. Slow down, Joe. Damn, that's something beautiful. Boy, sexy as fuck, ain't it? Yeah. But yeah, yo, we on our way. We on our way out here. These youth got these badass girls. But come on, get in. Come on.
What's up?
But yeah, hit y'all up when we get to the Gunther Volkswagen to get this shit done, oil change. See y'all soon. Out. We made it to this shit. I'm at Gunther Volkswagen. Get this shit done. Girl, I'm coming. I'm coming. I should have left you in there. Yeah. Say hi. I should have left you in, yeah.
Like your eyes are so close, a little bit close.
That's in my eyes.
Oh, you look like you have a bald head at the top.
Okay.
You look like you have a bald head. But you don't.
What's your arm? Stay right there. Watch out. Come on. Alright, y'all, we made it here.
It's a little dog.
Hmm?
We're on the sidewalk. We on the sidewalk.
We made it here. Daddy dropped his phone. Bro, I gotta keep that in there. Damn. I've been waiting at this shit, man. Damn appointment at 10:30. Still, I'm out here waiting. Even though it ain't 10:30 yet, but fuck, still, bitch. 10:16. Damn, I hope this shit don't take all fucking day, man. Shit. But I'd rather bring it here than take it to any other motherfucking place, you know what I'm saying? The car is Volkswagen, so I'd rather bring it to Volkswagen and get that shit done, you feel what I'm saying? Instead of taking that bitch to any motherfucking place and have my shit fucked up. And I have to be fucking paying arm and a leg to get this bitch fixed. Feel what I'm saying? Shit. But I got a lot of shit coming today, you feel me? And the wife got some shit going on today when she get off work. You feel what I'm saying? We probably gonna go cop them new iPhone 11s. You know what I'm saying? You know, we gotta get in, you know, I got the 10 right now. So I'm finna go ahead and upgrade this bitch to the 11. You know what I'm saying? Got some content coming tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just stay tuned, man. Got a lot of shit going on. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm new to this YouTube shit, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. So I'm new to this YouTube shit, so y'all got to bear with it, nigga, you know what I'm saying? But alright. Finally being seen. Alright, brother. Finally at Gunther Volkswagen. Y'all need any oil changes, you need your car done, you know what I'm saying, services, come check them out. Kind of digging the Volkswagen now, bro. I never had one before. It's my first one, 2014. But ain't never had one before, but kind of digging it, you know what I'm saying? I'm used to it, you know what I'm saying? It's dope. Thinking about soon upgrading to the SUV. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make my family bigger. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 daughters. 2 of them with me. But hope we don't be waiting for long to get this oil change done. Phone at 10:30. Hopefully I'll be done before 11:30. What's up, B-Dog? Oil change.
First time here with a car, or has been here before?
Yes, sir. First time here. No, I'd rather bring it here, you know what I'm saying? Instead of take it somewhere else, you know what I mean?
I got you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir, man. You don't mind being on the camera now, you good with that, right?
It's alright.
Alright.
Name, address, phone number, and a signature is
So we just left the oil joint. You know, get the oil change and shit, you know what I'm saying? But I had the cheap ass goddamn fucking thing to hold my phone up, like a fucking prop thing to hold my phone up. And my damn phone fell on the floor, bro. My shit dropped on the floor. Luckily, the only damn part, it just cracked a little bit in the back, so I'm type cool, you feel what I'm saying? But my shit fell on the damn floor, bro. So now, you feel me, we on our way to the crib, me and the girls. I'm about to go take them to McDonald's and get them some damn food, you know what I'm saying? But that's all for the day right now. I'll be checking back in a little bit later. So check what y'all did. I'm out.